Hello fam, hope you are well. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve these spiral curls using straws and Brazilian wool. Hope you enjoy it and you're going to try it as well. Kindly don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, and share with friends and family. Enjoy. See you on the next one.